These are the top 5 best live TV streaming services. How do you cut the cord and get live TV? That's what we're here for. Let's get to it. At number 5, Hulu with live TV. It starts at $45 per month. You get over 60 live channels along with a DVR and guide. Hulu has a great library of on-demand shows and movies, although at the starting price of $45, the streaming library has ads. The standard DVR gives you 50 hours of storage plus the inability to skip commercials. Upgrading gets you 200 hours of DVR space and you can fast forward ads. Also, let's not mince words on Hulu's interface, it's kind of lousy. At number 4 is PlayStation Vue. Do you like recording lots and lots of shows? Vue gives you unlimited storage, and unlike another player on this list, you can always fast forward through commercial skipper. If you've got a PlayStation 4, you can watch multiple channels at one time. On the downside, Vue does not have the largest channel selection. Also, recordings are kept for 4 weeks. Coming in at number 3 is at&t TV Now, formerly known as DirecTV Now. It starts at $50 per month, which seems pricey. That is, until you realize the price includes HBO. Now, picking up HBO Now by itself costs $15 per month. You're essentially paying for HBO Now plus another $35 for an additional 40 plus channels. In case you're thinking, hey wait, I miss spending over $100 for TV, don't worry, you can spend $135 per month for more than 125 channels. The cloud DVR is not exactly great though. Also, the Roku app is not as good as the Apple TV version. Number 2 is our number 1 budget service. It's Sling TV. It starts at just $25, although you can get the first month with a 40% discount as of the time of this recording. That means $15 for the base Sling Orange or Sling Blue. Speaking of orange or blue, that's how Sling classifies its channel packages. If you get both, it's called orange and blue. Why those colors? I blame the Sling logo. How is it so inexpensive? Well, it carries fewer local channels. You will need to hook up an over-the-air antenna to grab them. The Sling interface is not fancy, but it works. Number 1 is YouTube TV. Here's what you get for your $50 per month. More than 70 channels, including big broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC. You get an unlimited DVR. Record all the shows you want. There is no limit on simultaneous recordings either. The downside is when a video that you've recorded pops up in an on-demand version, you're getting the on-demand version. That means you're not skipping ads anymore, Skippy. The interface is solid and you can stream on 3 devices at one time. If you've got ideas for top 5s, let me know. Big thanks to Ty and Katz for keeping track of all the changes to all of these services. Check out CNET to see all the channel lineups compared with each other. I'm Zach Tarr, and I'll see you online.